Absolutely, we're loving the pool. And my family loves it, the kids, my grandson is in here all the time. Father's Day, we spent the whole day out here at the pool making pizzas with the pizza oven, grilling. It was just a fantastic family day. When you look into the pool, you'll be able to see it, but we put a bench across the whole side of the pool, 24 feet long, so we could fit about 15 people just sitting on the bench in the pool enjoying the sun. Yeah, every night we're out here now. Just, hanging out in the backyard, swimming, enjoying every bit of it. Building a pool is hard. We went through a lot of issues with the township and the permits and inspections, but Tom was a professional. He got everything taken care of. Very responsive to my calls and questions, and couldn't say better things about working with him. I would recommend Custom Pool Pros to anybody.